Good evening, guys, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. Radhe Radhe. I'm a little bit upset today, a little bit down today, because कई बार मैंने मेंशन किया है मेरे ब्लॉग्स में मेरी बुआ का उसका हाथ बहुत दर्द कर रहा है because right from her childhood she has been disabled. Right from the moment when she was 2 years old, she got polio in her legs. So she's never walked in her life. So all her life she has pressed on her arms and crawled. And she's 80 years old now. So this arm of hers are completely gone. So she's on a hoist because she cannot even put pressure on her arms to jump onto the bed or her wheelchair or anything. So suddenly since last couple of weeks her arm has been paining so much that she's unable to bear it. So today she has unfortunately been taken into the hospital. मुझे अब लंदन के लिए भागना है और बस मेरी तैयारी जारी है. प्लीज़ आप सब लोग प्रे करो कि मेरी बुआ शी इज़ अडॉप्टेड मी क्योंकि बचपन से शी वॉज ऑब्वियसली डिसेबल्ड so she stayed with us only. My dad's elder sister. I have grown up by her. She's my mom. She's my soul. Please pray. I beg of people, whoever are watching this, to pray for her. I just hope she gets well and comes back home. And I want to just go and hug her and I want to see her. Guys, I'm working so hard for you all. I'm learning bonus classes. खैर मेरी डिजिटल मार्केटिंग के कोर्स तो ख़त्म हो चुका है लेकिन I'm doing bonus classes for you all. Check. She is my lecturer. मैं आप लोगों के लिए ये डिजिटल मार्केटिंग का बोनस क्लास कर रही हूँ so that I can bring you the best of the best. I can do the best for you. If ever anybody has to come to me for any kind of marketing, any kind of anything to do with media, marketing, digitalization, SEOs, social media networking, anything whatsoever, including automation, anything, I want to be able to be doing the best of the best for you. In spite of what I know, I'm still learning. Not for myself, but for what I can do for you all. मेरा मोदी सन का बिजनेस तो है ही है जिसमें मैं आप लोगों के लिए बेस्ट ऑफ द बेस्ट प्रोडक्ट लाती हूँ, लाऊंगी भी और आ भी रहे हैं. इतना काम डबल काम है पर फिर भी मैं कर रही हूँ. आप लोगों से मुझे सिर्फ आज इतनी ही विनती है, हाथ जोड़ के विनती करती हूँ मेरी बुआ के लिए. प्लीज़ प्रे करो कि उनका नहीं तो खाली उनका दर्द, उनका जो दुखा जो है यहाँ हाथ का वो कम हो जाए. But I'm not able to see her pain. So guys, anyhow, she's in good hands. She's been taken to the hospital, so she's in very good hands. I'm very confident for that. So I'm not obviously I'm stressed, I'm upset, but nevertheless आप लोग भी मेरा परिवार हो तो आप लोगों को भी एक ब्लॉग बना के दिखाना एक बहुत ज़रूरी है. So just after I finish this class I'm going to go. यहाँ बाजू में एक बहुत सुंदर सी क्रिसमस मार्केट लगी है so I'm going to go and show you that. And then we are going to catch up with the friends Rajiv ji and Minu ji who has come. They've been calling us since this morning लेकिन आज मेरी हालत नहीं थी क्योंकि आज सुबह मेरे पेट में इंजेक्शन फिर से एक बारी लगा है. तो in spite of the fact that I'm in pain, I am still doing it. Pat on my back for me. So let me finish off this class and मैंने खाली 5 मिनट ली है आप लोगों से बात करने के लिए और फिर निकलते हैं. ठीक है? I'll catch you in a little while. सबको मिलाते हूँ फिर. Guys, good evening and here we are at the Panjim Christmas Fair. This is it guys, this is what it is. Check it out. Taranga Enterprises Women Community for women business. Join it, guys. Scan the QR code. Check it out. It is a Christmas market. Let's start from here. Oh.
Yes. Avla candy, avla juices.
Amla health drink.
Yes.
Pan hai. They're so pretty. Handmade candles and they're smelling so nice. Beautiful. This is so Christmassy here. Check it out. Check out these candles, guys. It smells really nice.
Yes.
Actually, it smells like
It's a cinnamon, ma'am.
beautiful cinnamon flavor.
Yeah, similar to that.
This is
Similar. Same. Cinnamon.
very nice.
Yeah.
How much are they?
This is 320, this is 280, ma'am.
Not bad. Are they all handmade? You make them over here
Yeah, at home.
at home? You live here in Panjim?
Yes.
And you make
we are
them?
from Panjim and she's from Tivin.
Wow, very nice.
Yes, floating candles, ma'am.
Wax and everything is cheaper elsewhere, no?
correct. For one.
Amazing. Very nice. Oh, somebody's got some good friend over here. I wonder who that is.
God bless you. How are you?
It is okay. Let's have a look a little bit ahead, guys. मैं ठीक हूँ.
मैं डर गई समझी कि मैं ठीक हूँ
लेकिन I'm seriously not too sure. हाँ?
काजल I thought her interiors there.
I've lost my memory. I've been so sick in the last 4 years. But it will come back to me. She will tell me everything about it. How are you doing anyway? All good? Nice to see you nevertheless. I'm sure I will recall it. I'm really, really So yeah, Anupama has found a lovely friend. It happens to be one of her students. Anupama she was running the INIFD, the Interior Designers National Designer of Film Institute, Fashion Institute, sorry.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
And she had loads and loads of students there. So yeah, I guess that's one of her students. She taught her interior designing. Anupama is a professional, certified interior designer. Not only that, she's a celebrity interior designer. She's actually, let me disclose it to you guys now that you've obviously met one of her students. She has interior designed 2 of Hardik Pandya's houses. 1, 2, 3. 3 of Hardik Pandya and Krunal Pandya's houses. So that speaks volumes, guys. इससे ज़्यादा आगे मैं क्या ही बोलूँ कि how good she is. And definitely you guys have to see her work. फिलहाल तो let us just concentrate on this Christmas market, guys. Hello. This is a massive thing, man. This is so big. This is so cool. If मेरा वेदु यहाँ पे होता ना, तो he would have made sure that I purchased one of these for him. He has got one with the whole dinosaur on it, Jurassic World. Very expensive, Stanley ka. They're very, very sturdy, very beautiful there, but he's not here, so what to do? But I miss him a lot. आज मेरे बालों को कुछ हुआ नहीं है, मैंने तेल डाला है. Pardon me, guys. Been having a lot of headache today. Not too well, but फिर भी निकल गई हूँ, मैं क्या करूँ? But yeah, the Christmas market is absolutely super. Lot of things happening over here. So guys, I have just chosen some very, very nice bracelets over here, guys. They've got some amazing collection. You don't mind, do you? They've got an amazing collection of some lovely bracelets. Yeah, I have chosen this one for myself today. It's got a lovely Om on it. And you know what the best part about this is? कि ये पानी में जाने से काला नहीं होता. So this is nice. 550 rupees. Not bad. Very nice. So I'm gonna go for this one. I'm gonna buy this. अच्छा मैं ये साइड में रखा मैंने ये, अच्छा ये रखा साइड में. It's very pretty. So guys, I have bought this ring. I bought this bracelet. I bought this ring. So cool. And I bought this ring. So I bought 4 things from here, guys. And I'm gonna make the payment for it now on my GPay. And they have a shop in Ponda called, what's your shop called?
Aura Styles.
Aura Styles in Margao, right?
Yeah,
Sorry.
this is the name.
The name Aura Styles in Margao. They have got some fantastic collection.
Even on Insta you can find
Find them on Instagram as well. कितना हुआ?
1,800.
1,800. Cool. करके done.
आपका चैनल का नाम क्या है बता सकते हो?
Absolutely. Why not? Morrison Life Rock On.
एक मिनट.
Should I put it for you?
Yeah. For what?
This one with the butterfly.
I've subscribed you.
300
अच्छा, in order to subscribe to this channel, you have to sign in.
Yeah.
ठीक है, कर लो सब्सक्राइब. मोदी सन लाइफ रॉक ऑन. ठीक है, चलो, टेक केयर, थैंक यू. हाउ इज इट? हाउ इज इट? एंड whom did you meet? Who was she? Come on, tell me. Who was she? Kajal. How come I don't remember her?
You remember she was my student. She used to come home. I taught her.
The only one I know who used to come home is who went to London.
That is very nice. She was my student from Fashion and Interiors College.
Right.
She used to come to me personally.
अच्छा.
I taught her at home personally.
Okay.
She owns a resort. So
She owns a resort. Which resort does she own? Which resort does she own? Oh my goodness gracious me. कोई इसको हक करके इतना रोया है.
I know the girl.
She knows the girl, but oh my god, this is so bad.
I'll ask her. By the end of the vlog, I'll give her name.
We'll give you at the end of the. Hello. How are you?
Hi. You want to come dance? अच्छा Merry Christmas बोलो फिर होएगा.
Merry Christmas बोलो.
Merry Christmas.
Christmas.
Say, don't worry, be happy.
Don't worry, be happy.
जोर से बोलो.
Don't worry, be happy.
और जोर से.
Don't worry, be happy.
Good.
Anyhow, it is very bad that you don't remember the name of her resort. This is so bad. But she was her student. She's a lovely, lovely girl. फटाफट मैं आपको यहाँ पे दिखा देती हूँ. Look, this is the way it goes, guys. यहाँ पे ज़्यादा करके खाने पीने का है. Lovely, little. इसमें कटिंग चाय पी सकते हैं नहीं? हाय. ये घर में हैंडमेड है.
Handmade है.
Handmade है. This is so nice. Lovely, very nice. तो गाइज़ यहाँ पे आगे अभी है खाने पीने का सामान मिल रहा है. आप लोगों को अगर भूख लगी है तो ज़रूर यहाँ आ सकते हो खाने पीने के लिए. और आगे इतना ज़्यादा कुछ है नहीं. दिस नाश्ता नमकीनो माशा. And why shouldn't I, as you all know.
तो जोक सांगता मैं.
It's nice. It's nice. Why should I say bad to anybody? Mine is very nice. Everybody's is nice. But mine is the best. I'm going to go back into the car क्योंकि मैं हालत मेरी नहीं है. मैं थक चुकी हूँ. लेकिन I think Anupama has found another frog. Oh my goodness gracious me. Look what she's doing. मैं पास नहीं जाऊँगी. मेरा it's not right. She's doing tarot reading. She's getting her भविष्यवाणी done. देखो बैठ गई. और मेरा 1 घंटा यहाँ पे हुआ है बर्बाद. पता नहीं उसको ज़रा से भी वो टैरो कार्ड या कुछ मिलता है ना, बैठ जाती है. क्या करा अभी. यहाँ सब होममेड बनाते हैं. एवरीथिंग इज़ हैंडमेड एंड होममेड. Handmade market and homemade market, guys. This is so good. One thing I like to tell everybody is कि लाइफ में आप ये हैंडमेड वालों को और होममेड वालों को जितना सपोर्ट कर सकते हो ना, उतना सपोर्ट आप लोगों को उन लोगों को करना चाहिए, क्योंकि विद द कॉस्ट ऑफ लिविंग आई थिंक द बिग ब्रांड्स आर जस्ट आउट देयर टू लूट एवरीबडी एंड आई एम नॉट अफ्रेड टू से दिस. आई डोंट केयर. I care the fact that people support people who are really slogging in this heat and putting up some beautiful festive market for all the public, letting the kids and everybody enjoy and selling the most beautiful handmade things at a nominal rate. I think everybody should. Hello guys, you're back. How are you?
Can you visit that shop over there, that cravery shop there?
Which savory shop?
There, the cravery.
Come on, take me then. Let's go to the savory shop. Take me.
Very good. There are
Oh, very good. Okay, I'm coming. Christmas vibes, children are happy. Let me be the Santa Claus for the day and go to their savory shop and do a little bit of my vlogging over there. किसी का भला हो सकता है, कोई खुश हो सकते हैं, बच्चे लोग खुश हो सकते हैं, तो हमको क्या? कौन सा सेवरी शॉप? अरे वाह, क्या है ये? कॉन्टैक्ट दिस नंबर फॉर द क्रेवरी शॉप एंड लुक एट द अमेजिंग फूड स्टफ दे गॉट ओवर हियर. इजंट इट लवली?
yes.
अच्छा है?
हाँ.
आपको अच्छा लगता है?
हाँ.
आपका है?
हाँ.
क्या बात कर रहे हो? और ये आपका है?
हाँ. Yes.
अरे वाह, बटर स्कॉच, ये क्या? बटर चॉकलेट चिप केक. लास्ट पीस बचा है. अरे वाह.
So we had told the kids to get us customers for the last one.
So let me be that customer. I will be that customer. Why not?
Thank you so much.
चलो, ये लास्ट पीस मेरे नाम का.
You buy it.
खाने खाने पे लिखा है, दाने दाने पे लिखा है खाने वाले का नाम.
Say thank you for buying.
I always say things wrong. What to do? But I'm sure it's really wonderful. I will give you a good feedback after trying. Must follow the vlog.
Yeah. Do tag me.
Absolutely, I will. You guys live around here?
Yes,
Taligaon. And you have a shop or a bakery or something?
Home bakery.
Home. Dekha? Support the homemade and the handmade. Always.
We are home because we cater to this whole area.
Wow. Very nice.
And we make only on orders, like
Only on orders?
fresh.
Very good. Fantastic. ये बच्चा है, मुझे खींच के लाई है. कुछ तो सार है. दाने दाने पे लिखा है खाने वाले का नाम. तेरा नाम लिखा होगा इस पे, तो ये लोग वहाँ खींच के लाए मुझे.
कहाँ मिले आपको ये?
घूम रहे हैं मेरे साथ, क्रिसमस सेलिब्रेशन कर रहे हैं, है ना? Thank you. So guys, do follow and definitely contact the Cravery. They do homemade as per order, all the cakes, and you do everything else. Savories, wow, Korean ones as well. Very good. I'm pretty sure one of my friends will definitely contact you for that. So great. Well, I wish you guys a very Merry Christmas. Thank you very much. Thank you, girls.
Thank you.
Merry Christmas. लाइक करो, जोर से बोलो.
Like करो.
शेयर करो, सब्सक्राइब करो और बहुत सारी कमेंट करो. आप भी बोल दो, जोर से बोलो. लाइक करो
Like करो.
और
Subscribe करो.
और
Comment करो.
और शेयर
Share करो.
Yes, you better. So guys, we have now come to tomatoes with our buddies.
टमाटो या टमेटो?
Tomato नहीं, tomato. Tomato. Potato. So this is the tomato shack, guys. Again, topmost jagah hai, topmost. It's literally on the beach. Tomatoes restaurant has a shack also. उनका restaurant भी है. और this is where we are, guys. So कितना सुंदर बना दिया है यहाँ पे. फोटोग्राफी सेशन की जगह बना दी है बैठने की. View.
और बताओ, आज क्या वो किया, बनाया कुछ?
क्या किया आपने?
आज हमने vlog चुनाई देखा.
आज ही देखा.
guys, this is the shack which is on the beach. It's literally on the beach front. और यहाँ पे क्रिसमस न्यू ईयर पे बहुत मज़ा आता है जी।
आज के ब्लॉग का नाम है
आज के ब्लॉग
पोटैटो पोटैटो।
आज के ब्लॉग का नाम है
टमेटो टमाटो पोटैटो पोटैटो।
टमेटो टमाटो पोटैटो
We are
पोटैटो।
different yet we are so much the same alike.
Absolutely. So what's the topic gonna be
हम
then?
अलग भी हैं पर हम एक,
हाय
हम अलग हैं पर फिर भी हम एक जैसे ही हैं।
एक जैसे ही है बिल्कुल।
टमाटो पोटैटो पोटैटो।
आलू और टमाटर के बगैर तो स्वाद ही नहीं है।
और ये हमारी मैडम जो है ये तो खैर खाती पोटैटो है।
ये हमारे खाती पोटैटो है। हाय यस एब्सोल्युटली। चलो देखो बेसिकली हम सब सब्जियां हैं। चलो राधे राधे।
Do you know when you call love, when two become one, and I felt like a boom in your arms I call home. Do you know when you call love, when two become one, and I felt like a boom in your arms I call home. It feels like paradise when your hands are in mine.
So friends and family, we have now from Delhi Darbar come to this place called the Bandin Bamboo. We felt like a little bit of coffee, so we've come here now, guys. Check this place out. Check it out. And so we've got some amazing people over here. We're gonna get some coffee and we're just gonna rock the night away, guys. Guys, you have to check out this. You have to check this out. Check out this Christmas tree made from some amazing beer bottles, guys. Absolute treat to be here, guys. It's absolutely fantastic. So now we're gonna go home, have our desserts, have our coffee and get home because we've got a long day ahead tomorrow, guys. Yep. So on that note, bye-bye. And so yes, we are gonna rock the night away. And guys, catch you tomorrow. Been a Halloween evening. It was a very spontaneous evening. Didn't think we were gonna come this side. It just happened.